because I didn't know how to tell the man no. He's like, I can give you 2 bags for 20. I'm like, okay, girl, you only need a half a bag. You don't even need a whole bag. Guys, I have not checked in all day. I just kind of really wanted, sorry, I'm trying to like get you guys situated. I really wanted to be productive today and do some things that have been on my to-do list all week that I have not touched, so I got those done. I had to film a little bit of content for a campaign that I have, so I got that done. But now I just made me a little fruit salad. Okay, I have pineapple in here. I have some, I don't think you guys can see, I got some strawberries. I got some strawberries in here. I got some blueberries in here. And when I tell you that this is some of the best fruit I've had in a really long time, I got it from the farmer's market. I'm really trying to get back into my Emily Mariko bag and going to the farmer's market every week because the food is just better. So I actually was just watching a video. It was just Jordan here on YouTube, and she was talking about how she wants to start a garden on her balcony. And if I had a balcony, baby, I watched, there's a TikToker, I think her name was like Gardening with Tara, and there's another TikToker, I cannot remember his name, but he always says abundance.
Abundance. Look at this harvest. Such beautiful colors.
And I just cannot wait for the day for me to have a garden. Okay, I've always said that, hold on, my friends call me. Yellow. Working. Okay. Okay, bye. I've always said that I want to retire on the farm, that I was going to have a winery section. I was going to have like grapes and make my own wine. And then I was going to have another farm. And then I wanted to grow my own food on the other part of my farm. That's always been my plan, to retire. And I was going to have me a hippie bus in the back for the other farm, you know. And yeah, so that's always been my dream. And every time I see these videos, I'm just like, oh, I cannot wait. And I was like, dang, if I had a balcony, I could be growing some stuff. But I just don't have the space. But anyways, the reason I was talking about this, because she was saying how like when you are in the grocery store and you pick up fruit, like you don't even smell it anymore. Like you used to be able to smell fruit before you even picked it up because it just used to be so good and fresh. And I was sitting here thinking about the fruit that I just got from the farmer's market, and I was like, that is so true, because this fruit that I got from the farmer's market is the best. I'm telling you, it's the best fruit I've had in a really long time. And I buy fruit all the time from the grocery store. So it's like, I gotta get to the farmer's market. I gotta get that freshly grown stuff because this is crazy. This pineapple, I was literally, well, that's because I didn't realize that the pineapple that I bought already had the bottom cut off of it. I don't know why that, I didn't know that's the thing. I'll have to look into it. So when I was in the car, I was like, God, this pineapple smells so good. I cannot wait to get home and eat it. But that was because the bottom was cut off. But I could still smell the strawberries and the blueberries. And I'm just like, this stuff is so good. So good. I cannot wait till I can start growing my own stuff. Like, it's so juicy. It literally does not make any sense why this tastes so good. But yeah, I'm going to be at the farmer's market getting my fruits and my vegetables from now on. My only problem is they are salesmen and I'm weak. Okay, the first time I went to the farmer's market, I bought $20 worth of grapes. It's because I didn't know how to tell the man no. He's like, I can give you 2 bags for 20. I'm like, okay, girl, you only need a half a bag. You don't even need a whole bag. You need half a bag. So I have to like get better with that. But at this point, it's worth it. Baby, give me the 2 bags because this stuff tastes good. I'm going to be selling it on the corner myself, like, because this is so delicious. So just want to tell you guys that. But I got to get back to work. I'm going to finish eating my little fruit salad. It looks so good. I'm going to check in with you guys in a little bit.
Weight of the world on your shoulders, against your waist and knees are mine. I must be favored to know, yeah. I take my hands and trace your lines. It's the way that you can ride, it's the way that you can ride. Think I'm meant to win another life, so break me up another time. You wrap around me and you give me life, and that's why night after night I'll be fucking you right. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 7 days a week. Every hour, every minute, every second, you know, night after night I'll be fucking you right 7 days a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 7 days a week. Every hour, every minute, every second, you know, night after night I'll be fucking you right 7 days.
You should be right here with me, baby, all night. That's right. You should be right here with me, baby.
I'm in my beauty room. I'm cleaning up, but I also placed the order at Ulta for some new brushes because I was cleaning my makeup brushes the other day and I was like, I cannot. I've had these things way too long. Like, they're just not even coming clean anymore. So I was like, they have to go. So I picked up some of my favorite affordable brushes, Real Technique, some e.l.f. brushes. People sleep on e.l.f. brushes. e.l.f. brushes are really good, especially for the price. Like, you can get a really decent brush. So I'm gonna switch out the old ones like this. I don't even want to say how long I've had these brushes. So we're gonna get rid of some of these. We're getting rid of this. Let's see, no, that's a newer brush. I'll get rid of this as well. I'm actually gonna get rid of that brush too. I don't have a brush to replace that, but that's gotta go. It's just crazy how long I've had some of these brushes. So for the new ones, I just got this Real Technique set. This comes with some of my favorite brushes. So we have, this one is a blush brush. It's a nice big fluffy powder brush. This one is the Deluxe Crease Brush. It's like, I'm telling you, Real Technique brushes are really good for the price. This one is a setting brush. This is perfect for under the eye. And then this is a Expertise Face Brush. This is good for a foundation. You can also do like a cream contour. That's really good for that. What else? My favorite affordable foundation brush. This is from e.l.f. I think this is like $6, $7. This is a really good brush. Love this brush. This one is a blush brush. This again is just another nice, really good powder brush. To like sweet powder all over. Love this brush. And then this one is a highlighting brush. This is another good like dusting setting brush, like for under the eye. This would be really good for like powder under the eye. And then I just got an eyeliner. But these are some really good affordable brushes. I'll have them linked in my LTK, which will be linked in the description box. I'm slowly gonna try and get all of my brushes replaced. I do have quite a few Sephora brushes from when I worked at Sephora, and that was a really long time ago, so that's why I don't need to replace those. So I'm glad to have some new brushes, and hopefully that will also help with like my breakouts. I feel like I've been breaking out a lot lately, so I'm hoping getting some new fresh brushes in here will help with that. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish cleaning up it because it's already 1:30 and I have work at 3, so let's go ahead and get to clean.